like I'm beginning day 8, just like the week started. Raining. Here we go again. Got my hat on. Down the trail we go. Hey there. That's kind of a slow go so far. Stepping on wet rocks and roots. A lot of bushes pushing my umbrella. Maybe it'll straighten out and go flat here in a little while. There we go. It looks a little better ahead. Just going around some trees. Have to be careful not to slide down and hurt myself up here. I don't bounce as easy as I used to. I hate to admit it. Big laurel branch wilderness. Spooky looking spot on the trail in fog and darkness. Green tunnel. Rain's making everything wake up. Everything's starting to bloom up here. Time to venture shelter. There you go. Lake's right down there. Still raining off and on. Some wet rocks here. I'm trying to be careful. A lot of switchbacks right in here. And I don't know, maybe you can see it. The lake is right there through the trees. Probably about a mile from being down to the level of the lake, and we've got a couple more small hills to go over, I think, when I get down there. It should be pretty level then, all the way to Boots Off. Area closed. No lingering in this area, it says. Okay, got to figure out which way to go. You see the white blaze where the sign is. Come out on this road right there over a little hill. And I think I'm heading for the dam now. I think it's where it's going to take me. There's a white blaze on that tree. A lot of limbs here. Must have a lot of trees fall or something over the winter. Part of the ridge may have fell off. Some rocks. Yeah, might have had a little landslide here. All that rain earlier in the year. My wife is on her way. She's got slowed down by heavy storms. Buford, he was involved in a bear attack. Huh. Missing. I wonder if that goes up to the shelter or something. The AT is this way. I hadn't seen that shelter. I don't remember exactly where it is. But I might have went by it. Trail around the lake has just been a muddy mess. Slick rocks, roots, mud, you name it. No markings here. I don't remember which way the trail goes, so I'll take the middle route. Like I'm coming out in a park. Well, hey, young lady, I just keep meeting you, don't I?
I can't hear you.
I said, I just keep meeting you out here.
That's right, I met you before.
Yeah,
I'm
you
headed north
passed me,
today.
made me feel bad you were going so fast.
Oh,
You were flying.
I used to be a trail runner, road runner,
Yeah,
bike rider.
you looked almost like a trail runner passing me. Left me in the dust.
Oh, sorry.
That's a hard road to get across. Made it to Bootsall. Gotta love this shower. Amazing.